till now, you have been very silent. So let me ask you, so how's the Josh, guys? I have come right from Mumbai to experience the energy today. Otherwise, I would have attended virtually, but I want to experience the energy. So I want to understand how's the Josh? That's great. Thank you so much for this. And today, I think I'm going to talk on two things. Okay. So number one, the importance of the day that we have today, and what is so special about this particular day, which is there today. Okay. So let me go one by one. Okay. I'm talking about the number one part, which I'm talking about is importance of the day today, where we are celebrating the Engineers Day. So I think that is something which is very, very, very important. Okay, I heard Mahendra sir talking about the importance of engineer, how engineer plays a very crucial role in the development of a nation. Dada talking about how engineers, play a very crucial role in the development of a nation, of an organization. So that is where all of us who are sitting here, okay, the faculty members, my dear faculty members, my dear friends who are here, I'm sure this is something which is a very important day for all of us. And all of us should be very proud about it, that being an engineer, I think we have a particular day which is celebrated as a World Engineers Day. So today I'm going to talk about, when you talk about an engineer, okay, so what is this engineer? So that is where I'm going to talk on 2 minutes about how to be an employable engineer or how to be an excellent engineer. So I think you get my word. What I'm talking about is I'm going to focus about the alphabet E, because I think the word engineer starts with alphabet E. So a question comes to your mind that, sir, how to be an employable engineer, or how to be an effective engineer, or how to be an excellent engineer? I have a very shortcut for you. Okay, just remember 3 E's in your life, and I'm sure that will help you to become one of the most excellent engineer in your career. So the first E that I'm going to talk in, which you need to follow, is explore. As an engineer, explore different areas that come across your curriculum, that comes across your engineering course. Try to explore. Don't do anything, just explore it. Once you explore, the second E comes into picture is engage. Because now you have explored, so you know where to get into, where to not get into. So engage yourself. So that is the second E. And the third one, very simple. Once you have engaged, experience it. Okay. And that is where I think with my body language, you can understand explore, engage, and experience. I'm sure if you follow this protocol, wherever you get involved, you will get success. No doubt about it. And that is where I see myself and the company which I represent, Tata Consultancy Services, where we follow this particular thing in terms of exploring, engaging, and experiencing. And that is the beauty of a company like TCS, which talks about experience certainty. But here in the context of all the engineers, I thought this is something which is relevant to all of you, is exploring, engaging, and experiencing your engineering program, which is there for the next 4 years. So that is what I want to talk about, the first part, when I talk about how to be an effective engineer or how to be an excellent engineer. However, the main focus for today is the second part, where I'm going to talk about what is so special about this particular day today. The special thing about today is 15th September 2021, where one of the finest organization, Tata Consultancy Services, and one of the finest institute, that is Ganpat University, have joined hands to start a program which is called as Bachelors of Technology in Computer Science and Business System. So why it is so special? So let me talk about that particular front for next 2 minutes, because we are about to close the entire ceremony. So let me quote some examples. So how many of you are interested in cricket? You may just raise your hand. Okay, almost 50%. How many of you are interested in Bollywood movies? No one. Okay, we have someone. I'm sure you'll be shy because the faculty members are also here, but I'm sure, all of us are not fascinated by Bollywood movies, right? So anyway, I think in the interest of both the audience, let me take both the examples. So say, for example, if I take the game of cricket, Virat Kohli, right? One of the finest player that we have in international cricket. And I think as of now, the England-India series is going on. So let me take Joe Root, okay, who is again one of the finest player that we have in the international cricket. Now, if Virat Kohli and Joe Root join hands together to play in a same team, try to imagine the quality of batting that will be displayed. Try to understand the quality of cricket that you will be able to see when both the players are playing together in the same team and on the same pitch, which is there. Same way, if I take the example of, say, Bollywood, okay, so I'm going just might be 10 years ago, because I'm not so key, I'm not so connected with the current actors who are there in the Bollywood. But if I take 10 years ago, I think my faculty members would support me. So, like, for example, 10 years ago, Shah Rukh Khan was considered to be the superstar of Bollywood, might be the Badshah of Bollywood. And Amir Khan at the same time was also considered as one of the finest actor in Bollywood in terms of his perfectionism in the way he used to work. Try to imagine if Shah Rukh Khan and Amir Khan join hands and they come in the same movie. Try to understand the quality of cinema that would come up. Try to understand the quality of movie that will come up. And that too, suppose it is going to be released in the Diwali period, try to understand the quality of entertainment that we'll get. Why am I quoting these examples, or why am I sharing these examples? Same way, one of the finest institute, that is Ganpat University, okay, not only in Gujarat region, but I would say across India, okay. And one of the finest organization, Tata Consultancy Services, which is one of the most successful organization. Now, when Ganpat University and TCS will come together, try to understand the quality of education that will come up. Try to understand the quality of workforce, the employable workforce that will come up. So that is the reason I'm saying it's a very special day for all of us, where company like TCS and a university like Ganpat University have joined hands to start a program that is, and not only a program, I would say it is one of the most emerging program in the current industry, which is computer science and business system. So that is what, it's a very special day today. And just to give you a glimpse about what this CSBS program is all about. Okay, so CSBS program has been, the entire curriculum has been designed by TCS with the leading academicians across the world. And the program has been designed, and we have signed MOU with 62 institutes across India, where Ganpat University is one of the institute out of the 62 lot. But what is so special about Ganpat is it's a first university in the area of Gujarat, in the state of Gujarat, which has joined hands with TCS to start this program. That is something very special about this particular thing. And we have more than 5,000 students who are currently undergoing this particular program across India. And the kind of feedback that we get from them is outstanding, because the curriculum which has been designed as a part of CSBS is something which is very relevant to what industry needs today. Rather than having something, a conventional way of curriculum, which is not so relevant in today's era. In fact, CSBS is very much related to what is required in the market today. So that is where people who are taking up this course will certainly experience that energy when you take CSBS as an option in your career growth. And with the MOU that we have, I'm sure, I think all of you would be having a lot of questions that what is this MOU? It is only about document signing, document exchange. No, this MOU has a lot of weightage. So for all the faculty members, we'll be having faculty this will happen throughout all the 8 semesters. After that, for all the students who are going to undergo this particular program, TCS will be conducting regular assessment exams. That assessment has nothing to do with your final evaluation, but that assessment will help you to find out where you are, and it will also help TCS to find out how students are undergoing this particular course. How is their experience? So that is the second benefit. The third benefit is internships. After the completion of 3rd year of engineering, you will get a chance, or the students undergoing CSBS program will have an opportunity to pursue internship within TCS. And after that, I think a lot of other benefits which are as part and a parcel of this particular MOU. So that is the significance of, having such a big program, for having, such a dignitaries of very high level, where Dada himself was there in this particular ceremony, in spite of being so late evening in California at this point of time. Namrata Somani, again, one of the very busiest person in TCS, took out her time to come to Ganpat University for this particular felicitation ceremony. So that is the importance of this particular MOU. And again, I thank the entire management team of Ganpat University, starting from Dada, Mahendra sir, Amit sir. Rakesh sir has played a very crucial role in getting this executed it very well. And my thanks to him for getting it done. And that is what the significance of this particular thing is. And very frequently, once I think the campuses are offline and the travel, travel restrictions are taken off, you will find faculties from TCS, faculties, experts from TCS, faculties from Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata will visit the campus, will interact with you, will conduct certain sessions, will capture your feedback. So there are a lot of things which is there. This is just the start of what you have seen, which is going to be a super duper 4-year program that you will experience starting from academic year 21-22. With that, I will conclude my speech. And again, I'm very happy to be a part of this travel right from Mumbai. But again, I'm very, very, very happy for this particular collaboration between TCS and Ganpat University. And I wish all of you a very successful career ahead. And again, once again, a happy Engineers Day. And remember my 3 E's, right? The first E was explore. If you talk along with me, I'll get more energetic. Okay. The first E was explore. The second E was engage. And the third E was super. Thank you so much, guys.